Oh, the transformer lands into the jungle. He is testing the ground. Ooh, what's that? Looks like a mammoth gorilla.
There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Ooh, he's running towards that new machine.
Running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Oh, it swims to the other side of the lake.
Racing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
He's so curious. And he bumps over that machine. And the machine raises to a transformer. Both of them display their aggressive skills. Oh, that's a big brawl going on here. The gorilla uses his fists and punches the transformer. And the transformer uses his superpowers to defeat the gorilla. Both of them are using their prowess. Now the gorilla uses his magic axe. And oh, the transformer is hurt so much. The gorilla defeats the transformer. Oh, the leopards are playing around in the jungle. That's the plush green landscape out there. Now they part ways. going together. Time to relax now. And one leopard goes to the lakeside to have some water. Oh, there's something suspicious hidden in the water. Oh, that's a crocodile. And it sees the leopard having water. Comes closer and closer. Oh, the leopard smells something fishy. Oh, the crocodile attacks the leopard and the leopard gets back on a safe side. Oh, now they attack each other. And here are the big brawl. Meanwhile, the other leopard is relaxing and he hears some sounds. He smells something fishy. Something is definitely going wrong. And the leopard walks towards the river. And it jumps in defense of the fellow leopard and both attack the crocodile at once. The crocodile moves back into the water. But both the leopards are not ready to give up. They jump into the water and chase the crocodile. Oh, the crocodile reaches the other side of the lake. But the leopards keep following him. Oh, now the leopards are in more danger. Now they see more crocodiles covering them and circling them to attack. Oh, we have gorillas of different sizes ready for the big fight. And each gorilla carries a weapon with them. And on the other side we have the leopard, the lion, the tiger, the beast, the bison, the rhino, and the elephant. The first gorilla jumps into the fray, and the leopard from other side. They blow punches against each other, and oh, the leopard falls flat. Gorilla moves forward. And now the lion jumps into the fray. The lion roars and uses its claws to punch the gorilla, and the gorilla falls flat. The lion now moves forward. The next gorilla jumps into the fray with a wooden log. and he smashes the lion with the wooden log, and the lion falls flat. Oh! The gorilla now moves forward for the kill. And tiger is next to jump into the fray. The tiger is unapologetic and uses his claws to punch the gorilla. Falls flat. The tiger now leads a big fight. And another gorilla jumps into the fray. This gorilla has stones in his hands and he throws the stones on the tiger. The tiger is hit hard and the tiger falls flat here. The gorilla moves ahead and the beast takes on the gorilla and it uses its horn and the gorilla is hurt and he falls down. The beast moves ahead. This time it's a bigger gorilla with a bigger stone. They both are at loggerheads now and the gorilla throws that big stone on the beast and the beast is hurt. The gorilla with that bigger stone is moving forward and this time it's the bison to take over. And the bison is so angry with this gorilla and he rushes to hit that gorilla and the gorilla falls flat with that big stone. Time for the new opponent, the bigger gorilla again, and the gorilla throws stones on that bison. And the bison falls down. Now who's next? It's the rhino. And the rhino uses its sharp horn to hurt the gorilla and the gorilla falls flat. Now who's next? Even bigger gorilla and the gorilla uses his axe to take down the rhino. The rhino falls flat. Now we have the elephant to face the gorilla. The elephant uses the trunk and the gorilla falls flat. Now we have the last gorilla remaining with the bigger weapon. And it smashes the elephant with that bigger weapon and the elephant falls down.